Imagine weekends spent with family, not in the lab. Imagine time for laughter, for relaxation, for making memories that matter. Imagine spending time on tasks that lead to scientific breakthroughs. Imagine a device that would reclaim your most valuable asset, time. Imagine TiltStation. Say goodbye to late nights in the lab. Say hello to walk-away automation. With its smooth motion, TiltStation avoids unnecessary stress to your cells. It increases your accuracy and brings forth reproducible results. Integrate TiltStation seamlessly with liquid handlers, robots, and incubators. Use it for pre-coating, media exchanges, passaging, trypsin-based applications, or harvesting and subculturing of cells. Equip your lab with walk-away automation and honor your most valuable asset, time. TiltStation by QINSTRUMENTS.